Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Main General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The Society of Khudai Khidmatkars organized by the Pathans under the leadership of Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is popularly known as blue shirts, green shirts, red shirts or Pathan shirts. So here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into it. Khudai Khidmatkar literally means the servants of God, represented a non-violent struggle against the British Empire by Pashtuns, or also known as Pakhtuns, Pathans or Afghans of the Northwest Frontier Province of British India. Northwest Frontier Province of British India, now in Pakistan. Okay, they were also called Surkhpors or red shirts. It was originally a social reform organization focusing on education and the elimination of blood feuds known as the Anjuman-e Afghania. Anjuman-e Afghania or Society for Reformation of Afghans. Society for Reformation of Afghans. The movement was led by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, known locally by Badshah Khan. The movement led by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, known locally as Badshah Khan. Okay. Therefore, here the right answer is option 3, that means red shirt is the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.